What's up guys, if you're new here, my name is Tori, and if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you guys for always tuning in. So today's video is going to be me installing butterfly locks on myself. I am not a hair person, guys. I have like 3 hair videos and I've always emphasized how much I am not a hair person, but honestly I feel like them hair just a hair I get out of hand, so I am going to attempt to do my own hair. So this is the hair, it's the water wave hair. Yeah, so that's the hair, and me basically I just watch my YouTube video and try a little thing, you know. Me look like one poodle right now because I just washed my hair and straightened it, and basically let me just get ready to plait it up and then go in with the technique. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm hoping me not handicap, me can follow instructions. It shouldn't be that hard, right? I hope this is not one fail. So anyway, I'm going to use the most basic video I see on YouTube and just try it. It's off it work. Me not dumb. The results will prove that. So yeah guys, again, thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned until the end. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and like the video. Let's do this. So I'm just going to start off with a hair tie and use that to just basically put my hair in one and just get everything out the way so I can focus on the part that I'm going to be plaiting. So I didn't really, as I said, this is not my thing, so I can't part my hair. If I'm home alone doing my hair, I can't part it, so I just use my finger to section it off and plait it. The parting is not necessary because it's not really going to show, and each time I just feel to ensure that it's the same equal part, and then I just go ahead and plait each section. So I am done with one section. As you could see before this, I sectioned my hair in 4. So this is the first section that I'm done with, and I just plaited the roots and actually twisted the ends because I just could not bother to plait everything. So now I'm going to move on to the second section. Combing it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, section it off, plait the roots and twist the ends. I'm finished with the second part, so the back is completely done. Now on to the sides at the front. So the one side at the front is finished now, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other side now. Wow, I wish this was as quick as the video is making it seem because this literally took so long. So I'm going to go ahead now and start the process. So as you can see, I did the back. I'm going to go ahead and show you the actual routine once I reach like the front of my head, because it will actually be easier to show you from that angle. So right now I'm just doing the back, and this is what it's looking like so far. Not too shabby. It's look like it's a go on. So now I'm going to just continue doing it and just giving you guys updates. This is what it looks like now. Not too shabby. I'm actually very proud. This is looking real nice. This look really nice. This looks great. I outdid myself. So now almost all of the back, if not all, all the back is now finished, and this is what we're looking like. And yeah, I think this looks great. So this is what we have left. Okay, so starting off, the hair already comes separated, so you're just going to grab 2 of those and you're going to basically separate the hairs. so that it can get the distressed look, so that it can get the messy look. And the more you separate it, the messier it's going to look. So you know, but this hair, it's easy for you to tangle this hair and ruin it completely, so you have to actually take your time to do this part. So I'm just detangling it and separating the hairs. You need a lot of patience to do this hairstyle. Alright, so now I'm just going to use a hair tie and put together all the ones that are already done, so that's just to keep them out the way. So now I'm going to basically go in with the crochet needle on top of the plait, not directly underneath the plait, but on top of the plait. And just ensure that you don't push the crochet needle in another plait, because that's just going to be horrible. So I'm basically going to just put the hairs together so that I can get a better hold when I put it in the needle. Now I put the hair in the needle while it's open, close it, and then pull it through the hair. Open it, remove the needle, and put my finger right where the needle was and pull the hair through. I'm going to only pull one end though, because if you pull both ends, the entire hair that you just put in is just going to get removed. So you're just going to pull one end and you should have something like this. Now this is where the technique comes in. So with my right hand, I'm going to hold my hair along with one end of the water wave here, and I'm going to hold that steady. I'm not going to move that any at all. That's just going to stay in one position while I wrap with my left hand. So at the base of the hair, you want to wrap it at least 4, or any amount of time you're comfortable with. You're going to wrap it at least 4 times just to get that secure hold. And once you have done that, you want to just continue wrapping throughout the rest of the plait. So you're just wrapping and taking it down. While I am wrapping it tight, because this is the first wrap, I am using my finger to remove some of the hairs, so it's not a neat wrap, because butterfly locks should not be neat. That's where the distressed look comes in. So that's why my index finger is right there, and it is separating some of the hairs. So while some is being wrapped, some is sticking out. And I'm just going to wrap it down to the end of my hair. So I'm just wrapping. So once I reach the end of my hair, or however long you want it to be, I am going to go ahead and insert my same index finger. So I put my index finger on the end, and then I am going to create a loop. So I'm going to just wrap now around the hair that I just wrapped. So that's now the bottom base. So I'm just going to wrap it like 3 or 4 times, just like I did the top, to secure it while my finger is still inside that loop. Then once it's secured, I'm going to remove my finger and then just continue wrapping upwards now, doing the same thing that I was doing while I was wrapping down. So I'm going to use my index finger again to just loosen some of the hair to get that distressed look, and just continue wrapping up until the hair is actually finished. And while I'm wrapping, you can see I'm still trying to separate the hair even more, because personally I like when it looks really distressed. I like that messy look. That's how I like butterfly locks. So I'm reaching the root and it's still not finished, so I'm just going to come back down in the opposite direction. I'm just wrapping until the hair is finished. That's what I'm doing. And then when I reach the ends, I'm distressing it so that it can get a better grip when I wrap it around, because this is going to be the finish. So I'm just wrapping it right there until the hair is finished. And then that's that. So that hair is finished, and honestly, I love how this looks. I cannot believe that I actually did this. I don't know about you, but I literally cannot believe. So I'm just going to put that away, and I'm going to do one more just to show you guys. So it's the same process all over again. Put the crochet needle at the top of the hair right there. Get the hair that you already separated, hold it together and put it on the needle while the latch is open. Close the latch and pull it through. Once it's through, you remove the needle, put your finger right where the needle was and pull through only one end of the hair. And that's my hair getting stuck in between. That should not happen, so you just remove it. Once that is completed, you go ahead and use one hand to hold one end of the hair along with your plait. Hold that steady. So hold that, and then with the other hand now you're going to wrap around the base of the hair around 4 times, or whenever you're comfortable with the tightness. And once it feels secure enough, you just continue wrapping downwards and use your index finger or any other finger that you are comfortable with to loosen some of the hair so that it has the messy look. And then you just continue doing that to your desired length. My desired length is the actual length of my hair because it's hot. It's summer and it's hot and I want it to be short. So I'm just going to go right where my hair ends. Wrap, 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 wrap it away. Wrap it up, tap, tap. Now I am at the end. I'm going to hold the hair. I'm going to hold it with my finger inside, creating a loop, and then I'm going to wrap it around the base around 3 or 4 times to secure it. And one thing to note, guys, you should wrap in the same direction that you are wrapping downwards. If you wrap in the opposite direction, everything is going to unravel. I was doing that. So yeah, once you reach the bottom and you're taking it upwards now, wrap in the same direction. So, and as you can see, I'm also wrapping it looser because I want that messy look, and I'm separating the hair as I go and just wrapping it looser and using my finger to remove some of the hair. And yes, guys, so again, I'm just going to wrap until the hair is completely finished. So if I need to go back downwards, I'll do that until all the hair is finished wrapping. And there we have it, another Butterfly Locks by TOREY. So yes, guys, that's it. That's the technique. It is super easy, and right now I'm just showing you guys the time. It is 10:48 p.m. I started my hair from in the morning. When I started my hair, it was about 8 o'clock. That's when I started washing and blow drying and doing everything and plaiting. It was about 8 o'clock, but I stopped to eat and everything, but this really took long. But I saved me some coins because I'm pretty sure this is a $15,000 look excluding hair, Jamaican dollars, or a $20,000 look including hair. And yeah, I bought my hair at one of the Chinaman stores in Halfway Tree, and I think one pack was like $1,700. Yeah, and I bought 1 2 I bought 3 packs, but I actually ran out of hair, so I'm going to have to go back to the store in the morning and get 2 more packs, and my hair will be full. But so you actually need 5 packs of hairs. I actually plan to do my hair bigger, but I don't know, I thought it was being done big, but once me never did a finish, I was like, what is happening? Why am I hair not done? It was done smaller than I actually wanted it to be. So that's it, guys. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching.